Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing another abstract art. As you can see that I'm using the black color first. This is just a random application of the color, and then now I'm using the orange color and blend it a little bit into black. You can have the bigger brush than what the size that I have. And now I am using the scarlet color and blend into it. And in the meanwhile, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please guys go and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of my new videos. So now here I'm using the burnt amber color, burnt sienna, sorry. So now we are going to be using the yellow ochre. The basic thing about today's artwork is that we're going to make a background, and then we are going to work over the top of the background. So it's more like the freestyle abstract art. And now I'm using the white color to blend it and the black color with the palette knife. So this is the random movement of the colors and the treatment that I'm doing it today here. Hopefully that this is going to be something very easy and enjoyable for you all guys. And thank you so much for supporting and being so supportive. I have the shoutouts at the end as well. So please stay with us and yeah, here who is having the name in the shoutouts. I'm using the white color and blending that one into the black. The next color that I have grabbed is the phthalo blue, or if you have navy blue, you can use navy blue as well. That's again giving a very beautiful look to the abstract art. Bit of black to give more dimension to the abstract. And you can create the texture with the tip of your knife. So here now I'm using the kitchen paper just to blend in some colors and give that texture. You can use a piece of cloth or a sponge even, just to do this application. Now I'm using the brush, the small size brush. Even you can have the medium size brush, and dabbing that one into white color and sprinkling that on the top of the painting. So here I have used 40% of acrylic and 60% of water, so that you're able to sprinkle the colors on the top of the painting. Okay guys, so the painting is done and we are going to take off masking tabs. So here is the shoutouts of the day. We have the first person for today is Sahar's Life. Please go and subscribe her channel. She is an amazing cook. And the second one is Lani Kimura, lovely lady. And Alice C's Vlog. Please go and subscribe their channel and support them with your love. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.